Guys, it's me, Isabel. And now this Carnation fluffy slime. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, since the lighting was terrible, or I should try to use this box. So this is the slime. The pink Carnation fluffy slime. You can see that earlier, made by the Slime Factory. This is actually 6 oz of pink fluffy slime. There's no real options of how much you get though, but it says it's not sticky. I just got this in the mail, so let's hope that's true. Because it didn't come with any bars, it didn't come with any extra activator if it doesn't. That's the whole reason I actually decided to buy slime. I also decided to buy a starter kit, which I hope does have the stuff we need. So I also find it really cool that you can use a QR code so you can follow them on Instagram and Facebook. So let's open this right up. Okay, so I've opened up the package, and this is the color of the slime. It's pink, but not very pink. It's more like a tan, which I really don't like. And I feel like they just took an image of slime from the internet and put it down here. They look way different. But we can't judge a book by its cover, can we? No, sir, we do not. Okay, so the texture is actually really good because it's supposed to be fluffy slime. The fine print says. Stretches out very long. I really don't know how good this slime is though until I test it out. Okay, so slime is actually really thick, but let's try and poke it. Okay, so the texture, pretty good, but every time I poke it and I try to fold it so I can poke it again, it's just goes up into a ball, and I really don't like that. Okay, so this slime, I don't know what to really say about it because it's good in some ways, but it's bad in others. Let's see how stretchy it is. Okay, it just broke. The first time I stretched it, stretched all the way like this. But then the next time I stretched it, it just broke. I don't really get that. And this isn't very sticky. That's good. They're not lying in the little bubble right there. 6 OZ and it's not sticky. No, sir, it is not sticky. So far, this is a pretty good slime because I actually thought this was going to be some sort of scam, but it's pretty good. Hi. So, the slime, I don't really know if it's stretchy or not because sometimes it's really stretchy. Other times it breaks immediately. I just don't get that. Wait, can I? I suck at swirling. Look at this. You know how you see the thumbnails with the perfect twirled slime? This is what I can do. It's terrible. I worked my butt off just for this. And a Galaxy Slime kit from Elmer's. I worked my butt off for slime. Jump rope. Okay, so I want to see if I can actually make a bubble with this. Probably can't, because I literally have to hold the bottom of the slime to stretch it out. And that's not really a good sign if you're trying to make bubbles. Ooh, they get. Oh, it sucks. Okay, so I'd give this slime like a 7, 8 out of 10. It's not the best slime. I'd give it a range of from 6 to 8. Definitely not giving it a 9 or a 10 because it's not like the best thing in the set of the century. Definitely seen better slimes like Karina Garcia, It's Just a Mirror, It's Just Nick, all of those famous YouTubers and stuff. Please don't hate on me for like watching them. Okay, but I really like the container. I don't know why I like this so much. I just really like the packaging. And this actually came with some, like a bag. So they were overprotective if like the plastic broke. I just really hope I can grow my slime collection. And this is actually one of my first slimes. Because the other ones were fails, of course. You can see by one of my other videos, DIY slime, warning cringe. Yeah, that one. The one where I definitely failed. I barely even had a good activator. Oh wait, if I had a good activator, it would have worked. Yeah, because everyone's so used to using Tide that when I used all, I'm like, it'll be fine. Just said detergent's good. It didn't work at all. So this slime was pretty good. I really suggest buying it. I don't really have a link, so just search up 6OZ Pink Fluffy Slime. That's where I found it. I actually didn't know the name. Yeah, I'm so stupid to admit that. Okay, so I love every single one of you. I will see you all next time. Bye.